Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Today is day 56 of our series 60 out of 16 Ks in mathematics in 100 days. Okay, so today is the last session for your chapter 3-dimensional geometry, where we're going to solve again 8 to 9 questions. One more thing, I will be giving you homeworks today, reason being because questions will be very similar and they're calculative. So I'm going to solve 3 to 4 questions for you. Another 4-5 questions I'll give you as homework because it's simply going to take time to solve them. So I want you to try from your side and get the calculation also done from your side. I'll give you a hint how to solve them obviously, but questions will be there for your homework. Okay, so that's one thing. The topic today at hand of the chapter is shortest distance between two lines. Okay, so in that we'll see the vector form, a Cartesian form, the parallel lines, and all this category which is there we'll see in the session today. Okay, so I hope you're ready. Questions has not been asked much from this topic, but still it's there, a part of your syllabus, so it is there in your portions. We'll complete this quickly. One last topic from the vector from the 3-dimensional geometry, and then we'll move on to the last 2 chapters which is there for your PU2 portions, linear programming and your probability, right? So let's move on. Again, I'm thinking of doing 1 to 2 sessions of linear programming. I don't think you'll require more than that. Okay, and then doing the probability, we'll try to give as much time as possible because it's a very important chapter and a lot of questions can be asked in probability, so it's important to know that chapter. High weightage also there in the chapter. So moving on, so have a look. So shortest distance between two skew lines. Okay, in the vector form, if I have the two lines given as L1 and L2, L1 and L2, where the vector form of the line L1 is given by R equals to A1 plus lambda B1, and for L2 we have A2 plus mu B2. Okay, that's how we write in the vector form lines, where B1 and B2 is what direction of the vector for L1 and L2, right? Great, so that is given. And whenever we have this situation, how we find the distance between the two lines L1 and L2? By this formula. Cross product of B1 and B2, the cross product of the vector which is the direction vector for both the lines L1 and L2. So cross product of that with the dot product of difference of the component of x or y or z for both the vectors A1 and A2. What is A1 and A2? If you remember, A1 and A2 are the position vector of the point where the line L1 and L2 are passing from, right? So L1 is passing through the point is given like what for the position vector of A1, same way for A2 for the line L2, right? What is A2? Again, the position vector of the point which is from where the L2 is passing through, right? Great, we have seen this in the definition, right? Okay, so you take the dot product of what? The difference of the component, right? From A2 and A1 upon the modulus or the magnitude of the vector product of B1 and B2. Same order, B1 and B2. Okay, chaliye. So remember this formula, we'll solve questions on this. Okay, please recall this, very important. I'll ask you to recall. There are 3 formula which is very important for this one: the Cartesian form and the distance between two parallel lines. That's 3 are very important. Look at the Cartesian form, same thing we're gonna do. Okay, so we'll check for L1, M1, N1. You know the standard form of Cartesian for writing a line. Okay, so it's Cartesian form for a line. Again, there are 2 different lines. This is line L1 and this is line L2. Okay, we're looking for distance between the lines. Okay, so what we're gonna do for difference of the component: x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay, please check that what comes here over here. Next, what? Please check L1 m1 n1 upon L2 m2 n2. Okay, and what is the denominator? What is the denominator, sir? This thing, remember this, mn nl lm. First this should come, or yeah, the whole square, the distance, right? This we get from here, no? lm mn, like that. L1 m2 is written over here. Okay, minus m1 l2. Please check. Okay, same way we are getting this also cancelled. If I do that, L1 n2, check here, minus L2 n1. Sign is doesn't matter here because there's a whole square, bacha. I can take a minus sign common always and make it, either write it as L1 n2 or n1 and L2 first, doesn't matter. Just thing is, don't worry about the formula, worry about this, how to make this matrix. Once you get this matrix, find the determinant for the numerator, and for denominator take this product L1 m2 minus L2 m1, the whole square, same way over here, and same way last one L1 n2 and L2 n1. Please check. Once you cancel this row, take this product, okay, the whole square, then you cancel this row, take this product, the whole square, and lastly you have to cancel this product and take this product, the whole square, right? Please check like this, and the last 2 as well, L1 and 2, and just take the whole square for the denominator. I hope you get it. Okay, so this is another important formula. We're going to use it in the question. First one only we're going to use, we'll see. What is x2 minus x1? The component difference. Vector form, it is written like this, a2 minus a1. Please check. Right? Yes. It's going to be a scalar, right? Check here. What's the numerator, bacha? Numerator is what? A scalar quantity. How come, sir? Dot product is there, no? Dot product of two vectors, right? Means scalar quantity. So how is scalar quantity, sir? Remember, in the vector product you had I cap, j cap and k cap here. That's why you're getting a vector quantity. But over here I have a scalar number. x2 minus x1 is a scalar number, y2 minus y1 is a scalar number, so is z2 minus z1. They're all scalars. That's why the result of this numerator is going to be what? A scalar value. Simple enough. Remember this formula. Don't worry about the whole thing to be in your mind, just the matrix. If you get the matrix, you can write the denominator also in the root. Okay, because what is this? The magnitude of the cross product of two vectors b1 and b2. How you write b1 and b2? L1 I cap, m1 j cap and n1 k cap, and this b2 L2 I cap, m2 j cap, n2 k cap, right? If you want, I can write it over here. b1 is for you. b1 vector is given by what, bacha? L1 I cap, m1 j cap and n1 k cap. Same way you can write what, bacha? b2 also, right? Okay, great, sir. Moving on to the shortest distance between two parallel lines. This is very important. You'll have vector b dot. Why vector b only, not b1, b2? Because lines are parallel, na, sir. The lines are parallel. Check here. Mu b and mu2b again. Mu1b and mu2b. So instead of having b1 and b2, we have only one vector b. We'll take the b dot product with a2 minus a1. Okay, sorry. B cross product with a2 minus a1, the magnitude upon mod of b. That's the transformation now. Please check. We'll solve questions on this as well. Okay, just remember this formulas and we'll solve questions on all of these. B cross a2 minus a1. What is a2 minus a1? The difference of the components of, the vectors given, the position vectors given, a1 and a2. So a2 minus a1 we will take, and cross product with vector b. What is vector b? The vector which is parallel to both the vectors L1 and L2. Okay, divided by magnitude of b. Simple formulas are there, not much is there. Okay, condition for two given lines to intersect. What happens? Intersect means not parallel, so this will be what? Check here, bacha, in vector form. This is a vector form, right? Vector form, what will happen? This is a vector form. If you remember this, what is this formula for? This represents what? This represents, sir, shortest distance d. If they are what? Intersecting means distance is how much? Shortest distance is 0, sir. Intersecting, right? Shortest distance is 0. So equate this, you're going to get this dot product to be equal to 0, because this will be a magnitude. I can take it cross multiplication with 0. Answer will be 0. So I get this numerator dot product will be coming as 0. If you get this condition true, means the lines which is given to you L1 and L2 are intersecting in nature. Okay, great. Again check the Cartesian form, right? Because you had this whole thing over here. L1 m1 minus, sorry, m2 minus L2 m1 the whole square like this. Two more brackets for here. But if you take the cross multiplication with 0, I can multiply this thing with 0, will become 0. That's why if the determinant of this, what is this, bacha? Remember this? The difference of the component with, what is this? L1 m1 n1 is the x y z component of the vector b1 and b2, like given like that. Check here. Okay, then you're gonna get this as 0, because what is this thing? This is nothing but the formula for distance in the Cartesian form, right? Simple. Okay, let's move on. Conditions for two lines to be skew. Okay, check here. For this, in the previous case we had what? Equal to 0. In this case, in vector form, non-zero. Cartesian form, again non-zero. Same thing we had, no, in vector form, equal to 0. Over here you'll have non-equal to 0. As simple as that. Okay, I have not taken any question on this. We'll see if the question comes in the PYQ section or in the KCET problems that is going to come for your mock test paper. You can apply this concept. Okay, do one thing. You will have to take these notes, because I'm not giving you much explanation for this. Two reasons. Okay, I don't want to derive all these things for you, because it is irrelevant to the syllabus. There's not asked questions like this, and it becomes very lengthy. The whole process is very lengthy. So that's why this question doesn't come in the exam, because this calculation is very difficult, and it takes time to calculate. So I've taken some question. Just if you want to revise, they will not ask you questions on this topic, but some parts if they are asking, you can directly write the answer. Okay, chaliye. So moving on to the question number 1. to the question number 1. So let's see. Find the shortest distance between the lines x minus 1 upon 2, y minus 2 upon 3, z minus 3 upon 4 and x minus 2 upon 3. The two lines equation given in Cartesian form. कर लेते हैं. Let's do it. What's the formula if you remember? The formula is this: x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1, L1, M1, N1, L2, M2 and N2 divided by this big root. I'll not write these values because you can get it directly from here. You'll see now. Please check. I'll let me write the matrix now. So if I get this matrix right, please check. x2 minus x1, bacha, what is x2 here? 2. 2 minus 1 is how much? 1, sir. What's y2 over here? 3. 3 minus 2 is how much? Again 1, sir. And what is z2? 5 minus 3. How much is that? 2. Okay. What about the values over here? 2, 3 and 4. And over here 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5. Chaliye. So if I am getting this, check my denominator. I can write directly in our denominator. First one, 4 into 2, 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 the whole square. 4 into 2 is 8 minus 3 was not 6, 9, right? Excuse me. 4 into 2 is 8 minus 9 the whole square plus last for this one 15 minus 8. 15 minus 4 4 is 16, sorry, not 8. Last one 8 minus this I have done already, so 10 minus 12. Please check. 5 to the 10, 3 4 is 12, so minus 12 the whole square. Can I solve this matrix? Okay, so, find the determinant value of this. I can do that. First I'm going to do with 1, sir. So 1 times what I'm going to do? 15 minus 16. Please check here. I have modulus over here. 5 3s are 15 minus 16. Okay. Next I'm going to do what? With a minus 1 sign. For this I'll get 10 minus 12. Okay. Last I'm going to do what? 2. What I'm getting, bacha? 8 minus 9, right? 4 2s are 8 minus 9. Okay. Mod is there. Divided by what I'm getting over here. Check the denominator. 1. So 1 square is simply 1 plus. Again 1. 1 square is simply again what? Plus 1. The last one, 2 square is what? Plus 4. Have a look. This is what? Distance D, right? Check out here. 15 minus 1. 15 minus 16, right? 15 minus 16, correct. So minus 1. So minus 1 here. What I get for this? Plus 2 over here. 10 minus 12 is minus 2. With minus 1 is plus 2. And how much I'm getting over here? 8 minus 9 is minus 1, right? Into 2. So minus 2. Okay. So I can cancel this and this. What I'm getting over here in the root? 6. My distance is coming as 1 upon root 6. Please check. Modulus of minus 1 is what? Plus 1. So 1 upon root 6. Yes. So this is the shortest distance between two lines given in Cartesian form like this. Okay. So that's why I said just understand the way to find this matrix. Once you get that, answer is simple. Have a look. Yes. Question number 2. Find the shortest distance between the lines given in the Cartesian form like this. But if you check carefully, L1, M1, N1 is same as L2, M2, N2. Means what? The lines are parallel, sir. It means, what is B1, bacha? Check here. So B1 is going to be what? B1 is going to vector B1 is what? 3i cap plus 8j cap minus 5k cap, and this is also equals to what? B2. Okay, parallel lines. Okay, what about A2 minus A1? Acha, how do you find this in the vector form? So if you check here, in the vector form there is a formula for distance given as, if you remember this, mod of B cross vector A2 minus A1 upon mod of vector B, right? Please have a look. I can show you this in the parallel lines. I have this condition given here, B cross A2 minus A1 upon mod of B. Have a look now. Let's solve this question. Okay, so how will you find B? B is already known here, same. What we have to find? A2 minus A1, sir. So let's find A2 minus A1, bacha. A2 minus A1 will be a vector, correct? So check here, 15 over here, 15 minus 8, so 7i cap. Next is what? 29 minus of minus 9. 29 minus of minus 9 j cap. How come, sir? How minus of minus 9? Please check. Plus 9 is there. No, I have to write in the form of y minus y1. So minus of minus 9 j cap plus for k cap what I have? Minus 5. So 5 minus 10. So minus 5 k cap. Not plus. Excuse me. 5 minus 10 is minus 5, right? So minus 5 k cap, sir. I have to find what? Cross product now. So how will you do it, bacha? Let me check. So we are looking for this value b cross a2 minus a1 vector. Write the matrix, please. Write the matrix, sir. Please check. Matrix will be what, bacha? I'll write what first? I, j, and k. How come I, j, k, sir? It's a cross product, right? The result will be a vector. So I, j, k I have written. Now what? B first. So what is b? Check here. 3 plus 8 and minus 5. Okay, minus 5, excuse me. And for this one, I have 7 here. 29 plus 9 is how much? This is plus 9, okay? Minus of minus is plus, right? So 38. And what is the last one? Again minus 5. Great, sir. Okay, let's find this value. So I'm getting what? The result to be I cap times what I'm getting, bacha? Please check. If I do I cap times 8 times of 5 with the minus sign, so minus 40. Correct, na? 8 times of 5 is minus 40, right? And 38 times of 5. So what is that going to be? Minus and minus, so plus sign. 8 5 is 40. So in hand 4 is there. 5 3 is 15 plus 4, 19, right? Okay. What about j cap, sir? Minus j cap will come. Minus j cap, I'll cancel the second column and the first row. I get minus 3 into minus 5 into 3 will be minus 15. And then what? This is like, and this is minus 35, right? So I'll do plus. So plus 35. Please check. Minus 5, 3, minus 15, 7 into minus 5, minus 35, but there's a minus sign, so plus 35 for this, and plus k cap. Please check for the k cap, bacha. 38 into 3, 8 is a 24, in hand 2, 9 plus 2, 11, 114, right? And minus 56, 8 7s are 56. Please check what I'm getting this value. B vector cross product with a2 minus a1 vector is coming as, check here, 190 minus 40. So 150 I cap. I'm getting here what? 35 minus 15. So 20. So minus 20 j cap. And this is going to be plus again. So plus, how much is it? Please check. 1 second, sir. 14 minus 6 is 8, right? And yeah, 58. 58 k cap. Okay, 58 k cap. So what is the answer? Answer for the D would be what, bacha? Root of 150 square plus 20 square plus 58 square divided by mod of B. What is mod of B? Please check. Mod of B is what? Over here. 3 square, na? 3 square plus 8 square plus minus 5 square. Okay. Now if you check, the value of D should come. It'll take time to solve it. Please solve it. Okay, but I'll tell you the value of D. It should be 2, if I remember right, 3283 upon 7. Please cross check. I'm not sure, but I think this was it. I remember. Okay, I solved this. When I solved this, I got the answer to be 23283. Okay, upon 7. This is what? Again, distance, right? So units. Units, bacha. Okay, have a look. This is the answer for question number 2. In the vector form I got. What is the most important part? This thing. Ho gaya? Done. Have a look. Okay, shall I move on? I hope this is all visible to you. Shall I move on? Question number 3. The shortest distance between the lines, again we have to use what? Cartesian form is given. Is it parallel, sir? It's not parallel. So how can we solve it? Have a look. Okay, same way. Let's form this. For D value we know this. Most important part is to guide this matrix, right? So first is what? X2 minus x1. So 8 minus of 5 is 3. 7 minus of 7 is 0. And 5 minus of minus 3, right? So plus 3, no? So 8. Please check. Okay. What I have first one is 0, 4 minus 5 over here 7, 1 and minus 3. Divide by what, bacha? Please check. Divide by 5 into 3. How much is that? 15 minus 5. So 20. Please check. 5 into 3 is 15. Minus of 1 into 5 minus 5 becomes plus 5. So 20 square plus. Check with this one. How much I get for this one? 4 into 3, 12. Sorry, yeah, 12. And minus 35, right? Please check. Minus 12. And 7 to 5 is 35 plus 35. So 23, right? Please check. 23 square, correct. The last one, cancel this. I get 4 minus 35, right? 4 plus 35, no? Yes. 4 into 1 is 4. 7 into 5 is 35 with minus sign, so plus 35 square. Please check, bacha. I have to solve for the numerator first. So if I do it across 3, I'm getting what? Again, please check. 15 minus plus 5. Okay, sir. This is under mod. And what I'm getting over here? Minus 0. So this whole thing will be 0. I don't have to write that. Correct? Now 0 times of anything will be 0. Plus 8 times of, please check here. 4 minus 35. So plus 35, 39. Okay, 1 second. I've written the answer directly. So 35 here. Have a look. I'm doing for 8, right? So this will cancel. So 4 minus 35 is plus 35. Okay. This is it under the mod. Check the denominator now. Have a look. I'm getting for this as 400. What is this, bacha? 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 23 square. Okay. Plus 39 square. 39 square. Okay. Correct, right? We'll do that later. Right now, let's go get back to the numerator. What I'm getting? 20 over here. 20 into 3 is 60, right? Please check. 60, sir. Okay. 20 into 3 is 60. What about that? Plus 8 times of 39 in the mod, right? Correct. Divided by, I'll do this calculation. 400 will come as simply 400. 23 square, right? So I'll do it roughly. It should be 529. Please check. 24 square is 576. Okay. 23 square should be 529. 3 3s are 9. 6, 6 and 4. So 9, 2, 529. Please check. Yeah. Please do the calculation. If you're not sure, do the calculation, bacha. Okay. Then only will be sure, no? Okay. Great. The last one. 1 second. What is that? 39 square. 40 square is what? 1600, right? So I don't know, 1521, 1561, I have to something like that should come. 39 into 39, I think 1521 only. We'll check. 9 9s are 81 in hand 8, 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8 will be 36, 35. 27 plus 8 is about 35. Okay, 9 3s are 27, in hand is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. Please check. 1, 2, 1521. I thought this is right, but not sure. That's why to waste time thinking and making mistake. Just do it already. Okay, chaliye. Let's solve this, bacha. So I'm getting D value as 60 plus 9 8s are 72. So in hand is 7. 8 is 24 plus 7. 31. Correct? 31. What about this? I'm getting over here as 9 plus 1 is 10, so 0. 2 plus 2, 4 and 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4. Please check. 1 second. I'm doing for the 5, right? This is 1, 5 to 1. So I'm getting 1 plus 9 is 10, so 0. And 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 0 and 1 is there. So 5, right? Okay. This is gone. Now I'll do 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Carry is 1 plus 1. So 2450. Numerator, what is coming? 312 is there. So 372 upon root 2450. Please check for option, bacha. Option coming is only C like that, right? Please cross check. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Have a look. Right? Please check. This is your answer, bacha. Okay, sir. I know calculative, but I know you can do it, right? If the question comes, I don't think it will come, but if it comes, then you'll be prepared. Have a look first, once more. Question number 3. Is it done? Okay? Alright. Now question number 4. Have a look. Question number 4. A very good question. Okay? The shortest distance between two lines given like this. Can I do it? Of course we can do it, sir, given in the Cartesian form. Let's check, bacha. So what I can write a2 minus a1 as? Sir, nothing, sir, 0. What about here, bacha? Again, sir, 0. The last one, a minus of minus a. No, sorry, minus a minus a. So minus a is minus 2a. How come, sir? If you write this, no? So minus a, how much is that? Minus 2a. What about the L, M, N value? For the first one I have M1, 1 and 0. For the next one I have what? M2, 1 and 0. Chali. This I can write now. Denominator, this is the value for my D in the Cartesian form. Yes. Okay, sir. Let's do the first one, bacha. M1 minus M2. M1 into 1 is M1 minus M2 into 1 is simply M2. What about this? The whole square, of course. 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, so plus 0 square. The last one, 0 into M1 is 0, M2 into 0 is 0, so again what? 0 square. Okay, let's check for the numerator. D comes equals to, bacha, I can't do it across this because 0 times anything will be 0, right? So 0 into whatever I take minus 0 times anything I take 0 again, and minus 2a times, please check. If I take 2a times M1 into 1, M1 minus M2 into 1, M2. This is the numerator, right? This whole thing is under modulus, right? Divided by root of square. So simply same thing, na sir. M1 minus M2, sir. Hai na? Yes. Please check on this side what I'm getting D as. I'm getting my D value as, this is negative, 0, 0 gone, minus will become plus. So 2a times of what? M1 minus M2 divided by M1 minus M2. Distance is coming as 2a. Option number C is correct. Option number C is the correct answer, sir. Hai na? Please check. Option number C is the correct answer, coming as 2a. Simple enough, right? I hope you are able to understand the formula now for D. Correct, right? How we write the numerator part? If you're getting lost over here after solving these questions, please check. This is simply a2 minus a1. What is that? If you have to write for each and every one of them, let me write for you. x2 minus x1. What about this, sir? y2 minus y1. And what is this, sir? z2 minus z1. Hai na? z2 minus z1. And what is the formula for this? If you remember standard form, x minus x1 upon L1, okay, y minus y1 upon M1, and z minus z1 upon N1. Correct? Correct, right? So this is how. That's why I wrote this as z minus minus a. Z minus minus a. Because my z2 is actually minus a. That's why minus a, or what is this here? A. So minus of minus a will become what? Minus 2a. Clear hai? Clear hai? Okay, sir. Of course, sir. No problem whatsoever. Moving on to question number 5. Okay, chaliye. The shortest distance between the lines given like this. Another question, check here. Parallel. Yes. I minus 2j plus 3k cap, I minus 2j plus 3k cap. I'll not do this question. I'll give you the answer. I'll give you the hint how to solve it. Your choice too. You have to solve it. So first of all, parallel means what? I can take the vector b simply as what? I minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Hai na? Okay, sir. Chaliye. What about this? What is a2, sir? Vector a2 is going to be 2i cap plus 0k j cap minus 3k cap, and vector a1 is, sir, from here I cap plus j cap plus 0k cap. What's the formula for distance? Given as mod of vector b cross a2 minus a1 vector. Okay, now divided by mod of vector b. Okay, substitute over here. Please check what I'm getting, sir. I minus 2j plus 3k this whole thing cross with what? Cross with what? A2 minus A1, please check. 2 minus 1, so simply I, sir. 0 minus J, sir, so simply minus J, sir. Okay, and minus 3k minus 0, sir, so simply minus 3k product, sir. Upon what? This is under mod again. Okay, what about denominator? Denominator I can find, sir. Please check. 1 plus 2 square, 4, and plus 3 square, so 9. 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 1 is 14. Okay, so whatever is this value, divide by root 14. Okay, if you solve it, no, if you solve this, you will get the answer to be option number B. Option number B. Please cross check. Okay, you can solve it, right? Do I have to solve it? I can solve it for you. If you want, I can solve it for you. Simply cross product. Okay, should I do it? Let us do it. Okay, right, I'll give you homework later. So far I've solved all the questions for you. One, let's see, bacha. So B cross of A2, 1 second. I'll solve this question. A2 minus A1 will be given by what? Vector will be, no? Will be vector I, J, K. Right, for B first. 1 minus 2 plus 3. 1 minus 2 plus 3. What about A2 minus A1? 1 minus 1 and minus 3. 1 minus 1 and minus 3. Yes. Okay. Please check. I get for I cap, what is the value for I cap? Minus 6 plus 3 minus, so plus 6 plus 3, sorry. 3 into 2 is plus 6, no? So plus 6 plus 3 minus J cap. If I do this, so minus 3, 3 into 1, minus 3, and 1 into 3 again 3. So plus K cap, please check, minus 1 and plus 2. So what I'm getting? 9 I cap. So plus 6 J cap and plus K cap. Yes. So mod of this will be what, bacha? Mod of vector B cross A2 minus A1 vector mod will be what? Please check. 9 9s are 81, 6 is 36 plus 1. How much is that? 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 118, right? 118. I'm getting over here again root of 118, sir. I can write this as what? Root of 118 by 14. Divide by 2, sir. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, and 2 7s are 14. What is the answer? This is what I said, right? Please check. This is the answer for D. D is root 59 by root 7. Option number B is the correct answer. Please have a look. Yes? Have a look. Okay? This is simple. Alright? Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6. Chaliye. Same concept. Is it parallel? Check here. It's not parallel, sir. 3 minus 1 and 1 minus 3 and 2. So minus 3, 2, 4. Okay. I'll write the matrix for you, give you the answer. You have to solve it from your side. Okay. Please check. So the answer for this should be, I think, option A. Please cross check and let me know in the comment section. I'm not sure, but I think it should be option A only. Yeah. Let me check. So if I bring this inside, no, I'll get 9 into 30. How much is that? 270. I think option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. I've solved it. I've solved the question, but I think the option A is correct. Okay. I'll give you the matrix. From there you can get it from solution. So first will be what? Minus 3 minus of minus 3. So minus 3 is what? Minus 6. Here minus 3 is there. Here only 3 is there. So minus 6. 7 minus 7 minus 8 minus 15. If you are guessing how, just transform this equation, sir. Please check. X minus of minus 3 upon minus 3. Okay. Y minus of minus 7 upon 2 equals to what? Z minus of 6 upon 4. Right? So minus 7 minus 8 is minus 15, and over here 6 minus 3 is what? 3. 6 minus 3 is what? 3. The L, M, N values for the first P1 vector. 3 minus 1 1, and for the second one minus 3 2 and 4, correct, divided by this, you know, right, this, you know. Okay, solve this value. If you do that, you're gonna get the answer to be A, option number A. कर लेंगे homework sir. Solve and comment your answer. Okay, chaliye. Okay, great. Question number 6 is clear. Clear, right? No problem in question number 6. How to do it? Simple problem. Okay, great. Question number 7. Distance between the lines. Same concept. Is it parallel? Parallel again, sir. 5 to 1 and 5 to 1. Right? 5 to 1 and 5 to 1. Please check. I think again this is also a homework question. So I've given so far 2 homeworks. Okay. Option has to be, I think, option number D. I'll cross check. I think option D is correct. Please solve and comment your answer. Solve and comment answer for question number 7. Option D looks correct. Please check and let me know if you got it right. Sir got it right for question number 7. This can be a comment. Okay, great. Question number 8. Find the shortest distance between the lines given by what? Given by, again, not parallel. I've taught you this concept again, right? This is also a homework. So question number 6, 7, 8 is a homework. 9th I will solve. 9th I will solve. But okay, yeah. 9th I will solve. Question number 6, 7, 8. 7 also is a homework. 8 also is a homework. I think for 8, no. Your answer is 33 by 2 root 3. 213, right? I think this was the answer. I forgot. Okay. Again, solve and comment your answer. Okay. Chali. If you get the same answer right here, got it right. Question number 8. Okay. Let me know in the comment section. So I hope this is clear. Please check now. Again, question number 6, 7 and 8 I've given. Question number 6 I said option is what? 3 root 30. I solved questions up to some extent for this. Question number 7 is a question on the parallel line 5 to 1. You can see here 5 to 1. You can solve this also, Cartesian form, coming as option D. Okay. And question number 8 is coming as, please check, option number B. Question number 8 is coming as option number B. Have a look. Question number 9. Find the shortest distance between, okay, are the lines parallel given the vector form? They are not parallel, sir. Okay. Then the formula will change, right? Remember this formula? First one I think we did. Not vector. It's a scalar value. Distance is scalar value. Distance is given by, please check, B2 minus, no, B2, not minus, bacha. 1 second. B1 cross B2. B1 cross B2, this dot with A2 minus A1 upon what? B1 cross B2 the mod, right? B1 cross B2 the mod. This also is the models only. The mod is there active for that. So first we have to find B1 cross B2. Okay, before that I can find A2 minus A1 also. Please check. A2 minus A1 if I'm finding. How much is that, bacha? Please check. I'm getting this as I minus 4i. So minus 3i minus j and minus of minus j. So plus j 0. 2k minus nothing. So plus 2k. Please check. Minus j minus of minus j will become plus, right? So that's going to be 0. And I minus 4 will be what? Minus 3i. This is my A2 minus A1 vector. What about B1 cross B2? Check here. B1 cross B2 will be given by what? Will be given by, oh, have a look. So first I write here I cap, j cap and k cap. What is B1, sir? 1, 2 and minus 3. B2, sir? 2, 4 and minus 5. Check on this side. I cap times what, bacha? Minus 10 plus 12. Minus 10 plus 12. Again what? Plus, not plus, minus. So j we have minus, right? So minus j cap times, please check, I get minus 5 plus 6. Minus 5 plus 6. Have a look. 5 into 1 is minus 5. 3 into 2 is minus 6. So plus 6 and plus k cap times what? Please check. 4 minus 4, right? 4 into 1 is 4 minus 4. So gone, but 0. Okay. So what I'm getting here? B1 cross B2 is coming as 2i cap minus 6 minus 5 is 1. So minus j cap. Okay. So we're looking for what? For the numerator? Dot product, right? So check here. B1 cross B2 dot with A2 minus A1. 1 second. Yeah, this is over here like this. Mod upon modulus of B1 minus B2, right? Modulus of, sorry, B1 into B2, right? Please check. So what I'm getting, bacha, here? 2 square plus 1 square minus 1 square. This is equal to D value, right? This is not clear. I think it's not clear for you. Let me write again. Check here this value. B1 plus B2 the mod. So if I do that, this is the B1 plus B2 value. So 2 square plus minus 1 the square, right? Yes? Okay, sir. So I'm getting my D value as, have a look. I have to do dot product, right? So what is the value? 2i minus j dot 3i plus 2k, okay? So 2i minus j dot with minus 3i plus 2k in the mod upon what? 4 plus 1. Have a look. 2i minus j minus 3i plus 2k. That's correct. Okay. And 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1. Right. So what I'm getting distance d as? Please check. Dot of dot will become what? Simply minus 6. And rest all will be 0 because j, there's no j term. There's no k term. So simply 0 and 0. Because in dot product what happens? It should be I, jj and kk. There's no jj over here, there's no kk over there. So only I will make what? Minus 6 upon what? Root 5. What I'm getting d value as? Plus 6 upon root 5. Any option like this? Have a look. Option number A, sir. Option number A, sir. Yes? Please have a look. From the beginning. Okay? Yes? Over here. The formula is very important. Once you get that, rest is the process. I know you can solve it from your side. Okay? Okay. Have a look. This is it for the session, bacha. Completes our 3D geometry. We have 2 chapters left now. Linear programming and probability for PU2 will complete that and we'll move on to P1 portions. Okay. So now that we have done with the chapter, I want you to solve the question that I've given to you, the 2 homework, question number 7 and question number 8. 6 I've already done and I've given the answers for the question number 7 and 8 also. So please check and cross verify your answers. Question number 6, answer I've given as option number A, 30 root 3. No, 3 root 30. Please cross check. I think the answer should be right. If there's something mistake in that, I've given the steps for that. Please solve the question from there, and I know I'm very sure that you're gonna get the right answer. Okay. So with this, I would like to end the session, conclude the chapter, and I'll take care. I'll just take a leave from here. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep your positivity around you, and I'll see you in the next session. Take care.